Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the sway bar links on this 2005 Toyota Camry. Alright guys, jack up the car, take off the wheel, and this is your sway bar link right here, okay? It has a 17mm bolt on top, one on the bottom, and these are notorious for getting stuck and spinning around. You won't be able to get them off, but you're going to need a 17mm wrench, and also this in here, if it starts spinning, you could use a 6mm hex socket like this one. So what you do is hold it in place while you take this one off. Okay, now I just got this wrench on here. I already broke it loose, and this one came off nice and easy. Okay, this usually doesn't happen. In fact, in the other side it did not happen. I had to cut it off. So this is the one for the driver's side, so I had to cut it off because it's just these things. I tried to put the hex socket in here and it's just stripped. Okay, so most of the time that's what's gonna happen, but I got lucky with this one. Okay, so let's take this one off. All right guys, so this is the part number you need, 90344, and they're both the same for both sides. Okay, this is a new part, and right off the bat you could tell these are a lot beefier than these. Okay, these are look skinny by comparison. Also, they don't have a hole like these do. They don't have a hex hole to hold this shaft in place. What they do, you could put a wrench on here, which is a lot better design. Okay, and they also have grease fittings, which is nice. Okay, so you could grease them up. Overall, a lot better part. So let's put them on. All right guys, these bolts are 18mm. Okay, and also you could put a wrench on this side to hold it in place, to tighten it. So what we're gonna do is just like that, and push down on it. Hold on. There you go. You're gonna put your bolt on it. From behind. All right guys, that's what it looks like installed. It's a very simple job if you could get these off. You know, the hard part is when they get stuck and then you have to cut them off and all that. But otherwise, it's a pretty simple thing to do. All right guys, that's how you do sway bar links on a Toyota Camry. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.